I'm gonna have a big trouble today with the big Weka cold drills. It's the big massive one, and it had the oil leak instead of the water leak. If the water leak out here, I don't say nothing because this seal you can easily replace by just pull them out and replace them on. But it's leaking from here, from the shaft here. The shaft here is press on, so this two is press on for holding. There, I don't say nothing, but here is the one that we could not get out. It's the O-ring here, so we want to replace it. So what I have to do is take up this one. Can't even move it. So I have to take up from here to move the leg out, and then we have to strip out the gear inside and pull it out that way. Yeah, I have to get this leg out, the stand bracket, so I can do here and then pull out this way, lift the whole chunk on the gearbox there. Don't want to touch the stator or the armature, take you longer do that way. So we do a bit of shortcut and enter in the gear. The most important is the gear, but hopefully this one big enough for us to enter 1, 2, 3 gear here. It's easy, hopefully. Okay, this one put on one side. Now we try to split banana, don't open this part, undo this one and take it off from here. The gear coming out this way. Hopefully it works. Lazy way first on the lock. Okay, wrong size. Wrong size. Get next size up. 1. Great. Now we're gonna put in our stand here. Put in our stand. Now it's on our stand. Okay, we get the flat screwdrivers. Get out of here. Okay, flat screwdriver in there. Now we put one end here and one on this end and tilt that up. Tilt it up until we get to into here. Okay. Go up slowly. It's the shaft and the gear slowly. It's a bit heavy, but don't worry, take time. Okay, take time, you will do it. Okay, there we go. And we put that junk over here. We don't touch it. And here is the key. You've got all the gear. Then we have to get out the shaft here. See the main shaft? The main shaft here have to get out. But very simply, get this one out, pull this one into somewhere. Someone will ask me how to pull this one up. The K12, DK12 or 16 DK or 12 DK, all about the same. But just the design, the mechanical is smaller or bigger. So okay, we show you how to take it up. See, the first gear will be this one. You can take it up. This one you can take it up by just lifting up itself, and then we have to say this one, the third clip, we have to take this one up later, and we lift this one up too. So this one up first, but you will see, do slowly, take it out here, and we will track it up by this one. Okay, the first one is this one. This is the freely one. Okay, we're using this like gripper, and we rig it until we get it out, pop it out. So it's got a little frost bearing underneath there. Rig it or jam it, whatever you want to do it. Okay. Because I'm using the pliers, not as strong as using a flat screwdriver. Okay, see, it come up. Want to come up, or you can using this one. You see, this one using take longer. See, so it come up. Okay, come up the leg, but it's still stuck somewhere because the different gear ratio inside, and then we have to then we have to continue take this one off as well. So we use circlip opener. Circlip opener. Get a better one, please. Simon, your tool is so terrible, man. Can't afford to buy new tools. Okay, this one, circlip opener. Clip here, very important. Put away. It's not that important if you know. Now what we have to do is just drag them up. See, drag them up like this, and drag this one up. See if we can get this one out. See this one? Drag them out same time, okay? Drag them out. Drag it out, baby. Here we go. See, that's how it comes. Okay, we still got one more trouble here. See this one? Let it come down, okay? So go there. Okay, leave it there. So we got one big, one small to go through. Sneak this one over. Yep, nearly swing in my face. See? Sneak them out. Okay. Later, how you take out, how you put back in. So sneak it out. So we got the. So after we put it up, that's how it look. Okay. Up the center shaft that got to go inside the middle there, and you can slide in here. It doesn't matter. To go in easy, to take it up is very difficult. So that's how it look in here. See. So this is how you can get enter. So I say this point of views is this one. You don't need to take this one off. It's the Allen key to take this one off here if you wish, but you don't want to touch it there. What we do is move this one, and you can slide this one down. Okay, slide the shaft down. See that? Yes, because I don't have a deep long socket for number 32. I try to do this way. See, it's working. Okay, try to get it out by just clamp that one and try my luck. If it's working, I'm happy. If not, I'm bad luck. Okay, 32 and super deep, but I don't have that tool, so I clamp them in here like this and then do it out, and it's come up. Okay, it sounds like it's good. So take it off all the way till you get it out, and then later how we get it back out, how we tie them back in. Okay. I thought to myself I nearly give up, but I lucky I found this idea. We did not damage, so don't damage all any gear, because when you support you need to go underneath here, grab hold instead of the plier, push it down the gear. So this one will hold it there, and don't push this one down and don't bend it. Don't want any bend on it. Okay, now it came up itself. It's good. So we come in here. One more here. Hard to get out. Hard to take this last one here by the screwdrivers. See? I don't know, this one coming out. It should come up. It should come up. See? We pick that up, and then it should come up. This is how it came up. And you will see, don't move anything, don't move your eyes, because you're about to witness how to take up the shaft on this bigger bugger. Here, you see, it moves out this way, and the bearings and everything go on one corner. The reason we replace the seal, so we can take up this one now, and we can take up the seal this side. Okay, we can take up the seal. So it's not simple. The seal we still have to. So the seal, leave that one there. Got a little clutch and everything. Just leave it in here, or if you want to see how it works, just go open up like this. Take out the whole chunk. See, take out the whole chunk if you wish. And down here still got a little copper clutch down here, and all the clutch rubber you have to put it back to where it belongs. It's not very important. You just put everything back on here, so don't mix it up, because it's seal that been a bit worn out and the seal is leak, so we have no way how to take this one up. But if it is, how the hell this one go through here and the seal come out? That's another question. So they don't see anyway how the hell they put out and how they put back in. Okay, I don't see because the curve here and this little bastard here, and they got nothing to holding there, be honest. Anyway, we're about to put it back, but I tell you the tricks. We can't touch the ring seal. Lucky I didn't break it. Take this spring up. We're gonna squeeze the spring in and make more tension, and then this will be helping the seal. Okay, give you the tricks. See, this is the O-ring inside where the seal. What we do is take it up from where the joint is, and what we do is short it down by 1 centimeter. See, 1 centimeter, cut, and then put it back. Now we put back on the seal. So this one will have more tension on the seal. Now what we do is just need a bit of your skill, slide it on slowly, and we'll be right. Now that's for you. Slide them on. You can see the grip here straight away. See, that will prevent for you better. Okay, we are not a professional, or when it's end up doing something like this, it's really big jobs and they cost your arm and leg. So that's all I can do the best to help my friend out. That's the main key. So I put them on like this, and yeah, what I did is go in, same way out, same way in, and slide them on. And make sure all the gear and all the clutch is go down itself on the position for me, please. Okay, we press it on, and quickly we got this one on, and we just put this one away first, and back tomorrow we in the same way out, same way in. Okay, the bearing, we smash the bearing in all the way, and now we can undo this one again and put in order again. Sorry man, have to put in order again. Yeah, the clutch in. Oh, the one with the groovy, go in the groovy first. See, yeah, like that. It's on itself, man. See, and it's on itself. See, so on. So gotta be in order like that. So that's the squasher. Now we can tight. So we can tight, okay, super tight if you can. You can break your jaws out. See this one on position. That's what we need. Spring. This one on. The spring is holding there, so we put the spring in. Spring in anywhere there. And this one is just a slide on. You have to turn this one this way. So this way. Okay. So turn it this way, so you can sneak this one in there. Take it up. Okay, sneak it up and down like this. See this one? When you turn over, you sneak it out, and this is how it goes back. So that's number one. Here, number one, number two, number three. Okay, now we got that one in. And now the big problem is this one, and then this one got to be in next for this one. So this one go in here, and then we got to put the circlip in here, and then we go this one sneak around, go last. Okay, and this one easy. You sneak that one up and put this one here, and sneak this one, bring this one up. Sneak around, bring this one up like this. Okay, and sneak behind this one. See, sneak behind this one, sneak behind that one. Okay, and tilt. We sneak up more. See that one on, and then we sneak down. We lift that one up, and we slide this one in. So like that, and slide in. That's it. Then That's how we go in and up. Shit. Cut this one out the rail. Sorry, mate. Out the rail. The rail out. Rail out. Yep. Sorry. I leave up too far. I leave out the rail. Sorry, man. I should put the circlip in the big one before I do it. Okay. I start to show up and I hurt myself. I go out of the rail. There we go. There we go. Just put this one back up here. Maybe one here. And yeah, I need to put another ring back. Go down. Yep. Put a circlip back so I don't go out all the way where the circlip. We just line this one up and knock this one in. So all we do with the basic is this one. You sneak up and down. See this one? Sneak up and down. Okay. So now we get the hammer. Snap this one down into the line. And then we put oil and we're done. Okay. The shifter here, clamp right here, pull it out, or you can get flat screwdriver, pick it up. Okay. So no question at all in that corner. So everything good. So now we can put the oil and put the cover back, and it's ready to go. Hopefully the oil is not coming out by reseal from here. So hopefully it's good, not coming out again. Put oil in, see what happens. Fill them up with gear oil, whatever you want, and then we can be alright. Back on, and I finished my job. So this one go that side, this one go that side, and gig it on. Okay, gig it on, baby. Should be gig it on. Okay, should be gig it on. Or you want a mallet hammer? Mallet hammer, whatever you want. Okay, that's up to you. Now my job mostly done. All I do is put it down so I can put the bolt back in. Allen key, 3 in the corner on each one, and we are bingo. Okay, we put on and test it, see how it looks. That's how we take it up, how we pull out, exactly the same with the small one. Thanks for watching Simon 2.